Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Challenger drift car, and this is from Furious 7 movie, and this is number 7 in the series. So we did unbox this car earlier, few months back. You can see it here, but let me unbox this one again and let's compare with both these models and is there any difference in this one. So let's get to it. Okay, so here it is. So this is basically the same car which is sitting over there, but one thing is the paint job is really shit. You can see it here up close. If I remember correctly, that one had really nice paint job. So let me just show it to you guys. So here it is. See, in this one the paint job is really flawless. So rest of things, it looks exactly the same. The casting itself is the same casting, nothing is new. The only difference being, here it is printed in very small letters, here it is printed in a very big letters. That's the only difference I can see, but nothing much. Okay, let's put this inside again. Okay. Hotwheels really needs to do some good quality checks for the price we are paying. And this one is really unacceptable, man. I can live with at least not having headlights because that's what they do. But the paint job itself is really shit here. I don't know about the same model in other boxes. So because each box has the entire set. So maybe tomorrow I'll just visit the shop again and I'll see whether this one, the other one actually has a good paint job. Okay, let's do a roll test on this. Okay, it rolls really smooth, but it's not fast. Yeah, it rolls really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.